Welcome to Growth Reality Check, where mindset turns into momentum. Everyone talks about consistency, but no one talks about why it's so damn hard to keep. The truth? Motivation is a liar. You can't rely on feeling good to do what needs to be done. Consistency breaks down because your environment pulls you back into old patterns. If your environment doesn't match your goals, your habits don't stand a chance. You want to stay consistent? Make your defaults impossible to fail. Winners don't have more discipline. They have fewer temptations. Most people rely on hype. Winners rely on systems. If you want to stay consistent, make it easy to start and hard to skip. The real killer of consistency? Perfectionism. One missed day shouldn't mean you burn it all down. You don't need to be perfect, just impossible to stop. People don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they break promises to themselves too often. Consistency isn't about talent. It's about self-respect. Make your environment your accountability partner. Set traps for your laziness. If you can't trust yourself to show up, you'll never trust yourself to win. Consistency means doing it when you're tired, busy, unmotivated. Small disciplines daily build unbreakable confidence. The only way to stay consistent? Make it your identity, not your task. This is who you are now: a finisher, a doer, a promise keeper. You can start over every day. That's the cheat code. Never quit twice. Protect your momentum like it's your life, because it is. Your future depends on the tiny, boring actions no one sees. Most people won't do it. That's why most people stay stuck. Keep your mind strong, your goals sharp, and your grind consistent. Stay motivated, keep growing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Growth Reality Check family.